Hey guys, welcome back. In this video I am going to showing you how to build very simple rechargeable emergency light with auto on.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in.
Let's start to build. Set up 105J 400 volts capacitor. Set up IN4007 Diode bridge rectifier. Set up 100 UF 25 volt capacitor. Set up red LED. Set up 1 kilo resistor. Set up 4 volt battery. Set up IN4007 diode. Connect 105J capacitor second pin to bridge rectifier input. 100 UF capacitor positive pin connected on bridge rectifier positive pin. 100 UF capacitor negative pin connected on bridge rectifier negative pin. 1 kilo resistor connect on 100 UF capacitor positive pin. 1 kilo resistor another end connect on red LED positive pin. Red LED negative pin connected on 100 UF capacitor negative pin. IN4007 positive pin connect on 100 UF capacitor positive pin. IN4007 diode negative pin connected on 4 volt battery positive terminal. Battery negative terminal connected on 100 UF capacitor negative pin. Input for AC supply. Set up 1 mega ohm resistor on 105J capacitor first and second pin. Set up 474K 400 volt capacitor. Set up another IN4007 diode bridge rectifier. Set up 33 kilo resistor. Set up 12 volt relay switch. Set up DC to DC boost converter module. Set up 12 volt 20 watt SMD white chip. Connect 474K capacitor second pin to bridge rectifier input. 33 kilo resistor connected on bridge rectifier positive and negative terminal. 474K capacitor first pin connected on 105J capacitor first pin. Second bridge rectifier input connected on first bridge rectifier input. Connect 100 UF capacitor negative pin to boost converter input negative pin. Battery positive terminal connected on relay pole pin. Boost converter input connect on relay NO pin. Relay coil pin connect on rectifier positive and negative terminal. Boost converter output negative pin connected on 12 volt chip negative pin. Boost converter output positive pin connected on 12 volt chip positive pin. All setup will be completed. Let's talk about the circuit setup. DC to DC boost converter module. I will set output volt as 15. 105J 400 volt capacitor. 474K 400 volt capacitor. Relay switch. Diodes. Red LED for a charging indicator. 4 volt battery. 12 volt 20 watt SMD high power white chip. On-off switch. Connect the rechargeable light on extension board and power on. Now you can see red LED is on. Now the rechargeable light is charging. Switch on the rechargeable light. But the light will be not on. Because now the light is charging mode. Now I turn off the input 230 volt supply, the light will automatically on. Now I turn on the input 230 volt supply, the light will automatically off. Now the rechargeable light will be a charging mode. I will turn off my workshop 230 volt supply, it's turn on automatically. Brightness is really good.